Hi, everyone, and thanks for the opportunity to speak here today. So I'm going to give you a little bit overview of our lab group. We focus on trophic ecology, mostly in marine and coastal ecosystems, but a variety of other places, types of ecosystems as well. So here's our lab group with myself, Dr. Hayat Banaji, and then grad students Chantal Mitchelson, Sarah Wang, Mario Hernandez, and Allison Kristen. We have some really amazing undergraduate researchers and student workers in our lab. And while some of these grad students will be graduating this upcoming year, we're excited to welcome new students pretty soon as well. So our lab we're mostly ecologists, which means we study how organisms like plants and animals interact with each other in their environment. And the interaction that we focus on as a group is diets. We study everything from how animals find their food to what types of food they eat, and how different animals are connected through their diets into a single food webs. We're really interested in how factors such as climate change and oil spills and coastal land restoration directly and oftentimes indirectly influences the abundance and diets of animals. And our goal is that by understanding these important connections in ecosystems around the world, our research can provide society with information and tools that are necessary to design conservation plans and restoration actions that can help us become stewards for more sustainable ecosystems. I've shown sort of two food webs here because they represent two areas that our lab works in a lot. One is the Antarctic and the other is in coastal Louisiana, so an Antarctic food web and a marsh food web. But we have researchers and grad students who work all around the world, such as Sarah Wang, who works along coastal Peru, Mario Hernandez, who works in Tanzania. And so really the approaches we use in the lab are broadly applicable across ecosystems. And I want to put a little bit of a plug in because while we're ecologists, we've all sort of learned to become geochemists. And our lab operates the Stable Isotope Ecology Lab in the College of the Coast and Environment as well. And this is a lab that is available for everyone at LSU, and especially those in our department and college, where we provide services such as bulk tissue carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur stable isotope analysis, compound-specific, especially amino acid stable isotope analysis. And this is a great place because we can do it for cheaper than any lab that you can send it out to. In addition, we welcome students into the lab for training, and we have really fast turnaround time. So it's a great way. One of the things I love about working with Dr. Banaji and running this lab is I get to work with students in other departments and students of other faculty members in our department. So it's a really wonderful way to get to meet everybody and collaborate. So please reach out to us. We'd love to help you out with your research.